everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. My name is Ben, I'm the owner of Old Mate Designs. Today I've got just a quick update for you regarding the XLs, the Founders Editions. So the Founders Editions, I think I've got 2 or 3 to send out and then they'll be all fulfilled, they'll be all completed. It's currently Sunday the 28th of September today. I'm just in here reloading the machine, so got a heap of XLs to send out this week. This is from this weekend, and I've also been keeping the machine running. It's making the Aroma 3s. So these are the Aroma 3s. The robot is busy making these. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update to say sorry about the delay on the XLs, and I'm working as hard as I can to get them all out. I plan to have batch 2 sent out hopefully by the end of this week. I've got I think I've got 25 here now this today, and there's another 50 or so upstairs ready to assemble. So yeah, it's going to be a big week. I need to get a heap of Aroma 3s to the American distributor V Goodies, so you don't need to keep paying tariffs for them. Yeah, a lot happening behind the scenes here as well. So yeah, sorry for the delay again, but yeah, I'm working on the XLs as hard and fast as I can without sacrificing quality. One thing, the caps, I keep forgetting to mention the caps. So the fixture I have, this fixture here, it's making caps that are slightly bent. So the caps would go on the lids and they would rock a little bit. So what I've done, I've decided rather than stopping production and holding things off even longer for you guys, I'm just sending them out without the caps, and I will send the caps at a later date. So I'll cover all the costs to get the caps to you. I'm pretty sure I can send them as a letter or a document and not have to pay the tariffs. If not, I can probably get my American distributor to send them, or I'll just pay for it. It's all good. It won't cost you anything, and I'll stick by my word. So what the plan to fix the caps is to use this vacuum system. So I'm building this vacuum system, and that will allow me to sort of suck the caps down rather than having to hold pressure against them, and it makes them bow. If I can just hold pressure down, they can't flex and they can't bend. That's the plan, and I will do a video and bring you along, and we'll see if we can solve that one together. But for the time being, I'm flat out making them, sending them out, trying to keep you all happy. You've all been pretty good, to be honest. There's only 1 or 2 of you that are sort of cracked the shits at me, which is completely warranted. I understand. So yeah, it's Sunday now. Next week we're gonna have a massive week getting all these prepped, getting them all the final ones out. It might go into 2 weeks, and then the end of this week I'm moving on to the titanium XLs. So everyone's waiting for them as well. So in the next 2 weeks I'll have the titanium ones done as well, and I'll do a video on them because they're going to be pretty special as well, the titanium XLs. So yeah, that's about it for me. Everything's going well. I just can't keep up at the moment. I've got as I said in the last video, I've hired my niece now, but probably looking at hiring someone else as well, just to keep up, because it's too much for me to handle on my own. So yeah, thanks again for the support. I'm sorry for the delay. Flick me another email if I haven't responded to you. I'm doing my best to keep up with the emails as well. Yeah, I'll show you the material. This is the material for the Aroma 3s. Alright, I'll touch base next week. Thanks for watching. Me and Winston are out of here. Ciao.